Okay, what's going on, everyone? A little late to my last week's video. I'm a week late. We obviously didn't do too good. Let me pull this up for you real quick because I just want to get this out of the way and get into something new that I'm going to talk about. So give me just 1 second. All right, so as you can see, we didn't do so hot last week day trading. Fucking sucks. Definitely took a toll on me. Like, day trading has been taking a toll on me. But as you can see, I have no money in this account. And that's where I'm going to get into this. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to take a step back from day trading and a quick little side backstory. Let me close this out now that I've shown proof that I fucking suck. But hold on. So quick little backstory to continue what I was saying. Before I even started like actually day trading, I was swing trading shares and I was doing pretty good. And actually, another side story, mind you, I have been swing trading on this account, and even though I'm down like 24, or I'm gonna draw down. I'm gonna draw down like 4,000 or some shit. But that's where this comes in. That's where this comes in. I'm up about 3,000 right now. So technically, we are only down 1,000. Just wanted to point that out. Anyway, what I was trying to say is when I first got into trading, I got into like swing trading. I liked it. You know, you buy and just hold for a number of days and let the money work for you. And this is when I was about like 19, 20 years old, right when 2020, right when the 2020 effect was happening, basically. And I was doing that for a good couple months, and I got into options, blah, 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 blah. So swing trading is where my kind of like roots are. And as I just showed you, I'll show you again. I'm up around 3K just from swing trading. Some positions I'm still holding, some I'm gonna sell. But as you can see here, these are my two positions right now. I'm in BBAI and I am in CTMX. Here's the daily, and then here is where I got in. I got in at I got in around here, 235. My stop is below the low of day of yesterday. Same thing with here, because as you can see, I bought right at this 5-minute candle, and then I let it shoot up. And obviously, as you can see down at the bottom here, I'm not up too much, but once I'm up 5 times more, of my risk, that's when I'll sell like half of my position, then put it at break even and let it ride for however long it goes. And yeah, actually speaking of that, I'm getting sidetracked here because my study didn't load. Anyway, so yeah, basically when I'm going to sell my position is when a daily candle closes under the 20. That's when I'll sell my position. But yeah, I just wanted to say, like, I think this is what we're going to do for right now, because I'm going to tell you right now, man, day trading, even though the money is great, it's just it takes a big toll on my mental. And since I've been swing trading for the past week, I feel a lot better, dude. I scan through setups. Like here, let me show you. I scan through all the sectors up here on the top right, or top left, I'm sorry. I scan through all the sectors and industries, like the sector industry, same thing. And I look for stocks that are that have a big move up and in an uptrend and consolidate, and then look for a breakout. So that's what I did here on these two stocks. Here's what I'm watching. All on here. This is what I'm watching right now. All these stocks is what I'm watching. But hold on, there's a but. This is like a little small account that I'm doing right now, and I'm up 3 grand, which is awesome. But I'm still waiting for like my big portion of money, my big portion of day trading money to transfer into my other account on Thinkorswim right here. It's in the account, but it's restricting me from buying certain stocks. So I literally have to wait till next week to have it fully clear. So for right now, depending on how we open up with these two stocks, and I sell some of my position and put the rest at break even, I'll get more buying power to buy more shares in what I'm watching here. But I don't think that's going to happen because I only have $34 to buy stuff with, unless I sell one of my positions. So that's what I wanted to talk about real quick. I wasn't even really going to do a trade review because there's no point. You see the numbers, it's horrible. But like I said, we're up $3,000. So technically we're only down like 1,000 something, which is not bad. I'm not butthurt about. So it's pretty good. So we got a while for market to open, and I'm gonna do back-to-back videos. Like I'm literally just gonna post this video, and yeah. So I'll see you on the next video.